Hi everyone, I'll walk in Nakano, next to Shinjuku. It offers a mix of traditional and modern attractions, making it an interesting destination for tourists. This is Nakano Sun Mall. It's a covered shopping street that stretches from Nakano Station to Nakano Broadway. I arrived at Nakano Broadway. It is renowned for its diverse selection of shops and is particularly popular among anime, manga, and pop culture enthusiasts. It's often referred to as a paradise for anime and manga fans. You can find items from both contemporary and classic series, making it an ideal destination for fans looking to add to their collections. Mandarake occupies multiple floors and specializes in a wide range of anime, manga, and pop culture goods. Each floor of Mandarake focuses on specific themes or types of merchandise, such as manga, figures, cosplay, retro toys, and more. It's conveniently located just a short walk from Nakano Station, which is easily accessible from other parts of Tokyo. The shopping complex is open daily, and its popularity has made it a vibrant and bustling destination. It's important to note that the specific shops and offerings within Nakano Broadway may change over time. However, the complex remains a go-to place for fans of anime, manga, and pop culture, providing a unique shopping experience in Tokyo.
さっき通りましたもんね。
通らないの？